You can have the best pulley lagging in the world, but if it's not applied correctly, the performance will be compromised. That's why the approved applicator program is so important. The application of the lagging is a big part of getting reliable performance for the end user. As the lagging OEM, we support our customers to ensure they get the very best lagging application outcome. Partnership between Elastotec and the approved applicator is important for the end user because the focus is on lagging performance and not on application cost. Testing we've done is to ensure that over a wide range of lagging types, lagging thicknesses, pulley sizes, shell thicknesses, we get a consistent, reliable result every time. The application procedure is a living document. It's been refined over a 12-year period. The application procedure covers standard things like metal preparation, application of bonding systems, application of lagging strips, curing conditions, and some special things, crown lagging, application of heavy thick strips, minimising or preventing blisters, and of course adhesion testing on every pulley. The application procedure includes a number of things that must be done, but we also cover things that have to be avoided. The application training includes a theoretical session, some practical training putting lagging on a pulley, and then a knowledge test for each of the operators. Adhesion testing is a mandatory part of the application procedure and must be done on every pulley. Perfect approved applicator is a company that has the same focus that Elastotec has on the end use performance. The approved applicator program is an essential part of getting the lagging to be engineered to perform.